Thank you very much.
As his chances of keeping the White House dwindled, President Trump tried to blame it on unfounded claims of voter fraud, suggesting he'll challenge a win by Joe Biden in court.
Ultimately, I have a feeling judges are going to have to rule.
The Trump campaign launched a barrage of lawsuits this week to stop vote counts in states where he trailed Biden, but no judge issued a ruling that stopped the processing of votes. Mail-in ballots are valid in key states so long as voters sent them by the end of Election Day, even if they arrive days later. Biden's lead has grown as counting goes on. The president and his allies have held out hope that ultimately the Supreme Court will step in.
We're waiting for the United States Supreme Court, of which the president has nominated 3 justices, to step in and do something, and hopefully Amy Coney Barrett will come through.
The Supreme Court settled the 2000 election, ending vote counting in Florida, allowing George W. Bush to win the presidency. But this year is different. Constitutional expert Jonathan Adler says the justices are unlikely to get involved.
The court would only get involved if you had a question of federal law or constitutional law that was potentially outcome determinative. And it's looking increasingly unlikely that we have that mix of factors.
And unlike in 2000, the president would need courts to throw out votes already counted, and in multiple states to get to 270 electoral votes.
The amount of evidence you need is far beyond any of the sorts of things that are even being suggested.
The Biden campaign has hired its own team of top attorneys ready to fight any legal challenges from President Trump in the coming days. Patrick Terpstra, Newsy, Washington.